I need some fresh water. Let's go, people. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by and taking your time. You are awesome, and you know what? If you're new to the channel, my name is Alexei from welovesamples. Welcome on board. Beautiful to have you here. Today, I open up the session from the beat of the channel. I called it the swag beat, and I wanted to show you the intro because I find it interesting how the sounds were put together, basically. Okay, it's quick, easy, and you can apply it actually to many different scenarios. The technique is basically you have a dry sound and you have a wet sound. They more or less do similar things when it comes to the arrangement. So they either play the same notes or complement each other in a in a way that makes sense. So let's zoom in. So I will play just the intro. Okay. If you already saw some videos, you heard this intro. Okay, I will do the following. I will solo this one because this is the wet melody, okay? And I printed it from this track. So as you see, Raum is the reverb, and I had the EQ, but I doubled the track, muted this one, and now we have as well an EQ. So the reverb is basically printed into the file. Then we have the EQ. We cut, what is it, 2K and 12 dB per octave, so a high cut. This is the first thing. I will make sure to bypass, so let's hear the signal before. So it's super, super nasty when we switch on the EQ. It's another story, okay? This is the first thing. And the second thing is the extreme. I'm working with Studio One. It's basically an effect that can simulate tremolo or the panning, depending on how you what you choose. Okay, so I've chosen tremolo, meaning that the signal starts to wobble, and the sync is on, so it's synced to the tempo of the DW 144, as you see, BPM, beats per minute. So we have eighth note, this wobble, and the depth is at 24%. So it's not turned up, otherwise we will hear it too much. But I like the effect when you just dial it in. It's pretty cool. So I switch it off. It's really maybe you won't hear it too much, but it's more a feeling than this effect. Yeah, it's boring, and with the tremolo is. Yeah, I think you should hear it. Okay, this is the wet melody, and the counterpart it is Spielzeug. Spielzeug is in German called tool, not tool, play tool. What's the name? I have to look it up. Spielzeug. Toy. Yeah, great. My English is beautiful. Toy. And the library was this one from Native Instruments, Kinetic Toys. Jack in the Box is the preset. And after I played the notes, we have this file, and it's completely dry as the library is. I have to stop because my battery is. Okay, now we can continue. Sorry for this small break. Okay, so we stopped at Spielzeug, the toy. So let's play it. So as you hear, it plays the same melodies, the same note. And the technique is basically, this is the dry signal, and the melody above is the wet melody. And because this dry has more attack to the just to this melody, we can support the first melody that is wet, so it comes better through as the melody first of all, as well with the attacks, so through the mix, even if you use it somewhere else, so not in the beginning, but I always like to mix up the sounds that play the same notes, or at least complement each other in a way that makes sense, right? And try to make sure that one sound is in the background and one sound is in the foreground, so they work together. Okay, so now unmute everything and we play it from the beginning together again. Yes, this is the quick tip today. If you find it useful, hit the like, comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Have a beautiful week. Peace.
Swag on over, little boy. Swag on over, little boy. Swag on over, little boy. Swag on over, little boy.